Hi, Lee Phillips here. Yeah, I'm a lawyer. Yeah, I do trusts. Let me talk to you about whether or not you can use a trust to defer taxes, to get out of taxes. And in fact, what brings this up is there's a bunch of people going around now selling a trust that says that, oh, I can have the trust earn money on the assets that I put in the trust, and all of that money that these assets in the trust earns can be deferred indefinitely. I get to pick when I pay taxes on that. And the answer is no and hell no. Any other questions? Let me explain a little bit, but the answer is no and hell no. There are two trusts that you can defer taxes with. One is under Section 401k of the IRS code. The other one is under Section 408 of the IRS code. Section 408 describes a trust. It's something that you know as an IRA. There are thousands of pages of IRS regulations and rules and crap associated with these two trusts. If I could set up a trust, a simple living revocable trust or an irrevocable trust or whatever kind of trust it was, and have that trust earn income and have it deferred until I decide to pay tax on it, and I can take it out at any time. I don't have to be 59 and a half or any of that crap. That'd be pretty cool, guys. But don't you think that there might not be a page or two in the IRS code that describe this type of thing? There's nothing. The promoters of this trust are going to quote IRS codes up the gazoo and tell you that it's absolutely perfect. No problem. Come on, guys. Go back and give me some logic. If I'm going to use a trust and avoid taxes, be able to defer my taxes as long as I want, there's got to be something specifically written in the IRS code on that. You can't bootstrap together 20 versions or provisions or sections of the IRS code and figure out this trust. It ain't going to work, guys. You're going to rue the day that the guy sold you this trust. Trust me. I've worked with the IRS. I'm a U.S. federal tax court attorney. And it ain't going to work. I'm going to warn you. I'm just going to tell you, there is no trust that can allow you to defer taxes other than the standard trusts that you don't think of as trusts. You think of them as IRAs and 401k plans and stuff. But they are trusts, actually. And they allow you to defer income. There are hundreds, thousands of pages worth of stuff at the IRS written on these two code sections that allow you to create these trusts. There's no other trust that can do that. And to have the guy say you can do it is the answer is no and hell no. Now, I do have a lot of uses of trusts. Trusts are cool things. Get my ebook, How to Use a Trust. Just click on the button and we can get you that easy. It's actually a cool read. It's a good book. And it outlines what you can and can't do with a trust in a way that you can sleep at night and be very happy. So get the ebook. Don't forget to subscribe and all of that garbage for us. And we will see you on our next version.